So you've got a neighbor who makes a ton of noise late at night, but you don't know what to do. Can you call police? When?
When especially. It's a question a viewer had for today's Ask HPD segment for Captain Andrew Lum.
Aloha everyone, I'm Captain Andrew Lum. Today we're answering an Ask HPD question from Dennis. He wants to know what the restrictions are on a loud party. Dennis, if you feel the noise level of a party is too loud, call HPD and report it. Officers will respond and determine if the noise level is reasonable given the time of day and location. If the noise level is unreasonable, the officer will inform the party involved and the action needed for compliance. A citation can be issued for non-compliance to a noise violation. That's it for today. If you have a question you'd like to send us, you can email or message us on our Facebook or Twitter pages, or check out our YouTube channel. On behalf of Chief Kealoha, until next time, aloha.
And thank you, Dennis, for that great question. You can also log on to our website, KHON2.com, to submit a question. It's real easy. Just click on the Wake Up Today tab and then the Ask HPD tab, and you can fill it out right there.
And I can't tell you how many of these questions have been driving on our website.
Oh, yeah.
KHON2.com. I mean, it's like usually the top story of the day because it's a question that you folks are asking that top of mind for a lot of folks.
Yep.
So keep them coming.
All right, we're going to send over